is 58427.
Hi, my name is Nurashidah binti Azman and my metric number is 59034.
Hi, my name is Emily Natlembang and my metric number is 58575.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nurul Iman bin Muhammad Fauzi. My metric number is 58761.
As we can see from our manufacturing plan layout, our plan layout consists of 17 workstations, and we have to cell line that for the first line is to manufacture the gold chains, and for the second line is to manufacture the gemstone locket. Both line will meet at the assembly workstation where the locket and the gold chain combine, and after that the necklace will go through the quality check workstation. After it passed the quality check, it already ready to be sold to the market.
We all know that the jewelry industry has shown fast growth in this modern world. In fact, the jewelry industry is expected to grow to an amount of 250 billion euros by the year 2020. Our company's jewelry manufacturing branch specializes in making necklaces. The manufacturing of necklaces consists of two types of production. The first production is manufacturing gold chains. The second production is manufacturing the necklace locket. I have been tasked to conduct a practical study of designing plant layout in order to automate an existing product. The category that we have chosen is jewelry, specifically necklaces. In this video, we will specify the type of operation, classification of the system, material transport system, and storage system of the necklace. Jewelry is a universal form of personal adornment. Examples of them are brooches, rings, necklaces, earrings, pendants, bracelets, and cufflinks. For us, we focus on necklaces. A necklace is one of the forms of jewelry worn suspended around the neck. They serve as a valued material culture and symbolizes wealth, power, and position. In our company's production, the necklace will consist of a gold chain and a gemstone locket. The line of manufacturing involved in production is the gold chain line and the gemstone locket line.
So CAM is a computer-aided manufacturing where we use computer to help us in the manufacturing process. So here is the example of where we use the CAM in our necklace manufacturing system. Okay, so this machine is being programmed to make a cable chain where a wire passes through a link and then close it again to make another link. So this process keep repeating because it is programmed to being so, and this machine also can make up to 600 links per minute. Human resource are referring to a direct labor system where we use human for a manual process such as this choosing and weighing the material before we turn it into a mold, or passing the rod through these rolling milling machines for a breakdown mill process to change the shape of the rod from a circular rod to a square rod so that it will be much easier for it to be stretched. Human resource also being used in the quality check of our necklace. So the worker will check on the length of every necklace being produced by the machine and also any defect in the necklace. Our company only sells the perfectly cut necklace with non-defect. For our company material transport, we are categorizing it into three, which is the industrial trucks, the conveyor, and also the human workers. Okay, so the conveyor will be used to transport the ongoing process of the necklace from one station to another station, while the forklift is being used to transport all the boxes that have been unitized just now from the manufacturing department into the storeroom. After the quality check, the worker will keep the necklace inside a jewel box before unitizing it inside a bigger boxes. Our company is using the automatic identification system REAP/RFID system, and this system is being placed in front of the storeroom. This system will automatically scan all of the boxes with barcode that passes through it, and it will turn the alarm on if it detects the unidentified object that passed through it. The lift truck is being mounted with the RFID reader. The pallet have its own RFID tag, and the individual rack location are lined with the RFID location tag. So this lift truck can detect the pallet RFID tag and also know where the location that the pallet should be placed. So this system can avoid any misplace that always happen in the factory.
Manufacturing process and production machine. There are about 12 processes in our designing plan. 10 process is for chain making and 2 process is for locket making. In this product, we use gemstone as our locket. In order to produce a chain necklace, the first process is melting process, where all the mixed raw material is melted at more than 1000 degrees Celsius. Next is casting process. Casting process is about forming a rod from the molten metal by using casting machine. Then the formed rod will go to the cutting process and it will be cut into half by a laser cutting machine because it will be easy to handle it for further process. Next is rolling process. We are using 2 rolling machines, where first the rod will pass through the metal rolling mill machine, where it will change the shape of the rod from circular to square. Then it will go into the tandem rolling mill machine, where the stretching process is done until the rod is reached the desired size. Next, the rod will go to the winding process, where in this process, the condition of the rod will change from straight to coil. In coil condition, it will enter an oven for softening process. This is for its further stretching process until it reaches the final size. The main process is chain making process. Chain making process is where the wire will become a cable chain. We use an automated chain making machine to make a several style of chain. After the chain form, it will go for heating process again to activate the soldering agent. And the last process for making a chain is golden casting process, where in this process, it was done by plating the chain with a layer of gold again. Moving to the locket making process, there are only 2 processes involved. First is the gem cutting process. It was done by a cutting saw and grinding machine. Next is the gem polish process, where we are using a very fine grades of diamond to polish the gemstone using a polish machine. The last part is assembled part. The two components, the chain and the locket, where in this product we use gemstone, is combined at the assembly station. The chain tag also combined with the chain at the same station. The combination of the locket and the chain is either by inserting the gemstone into the hole of the chain or weld the link of the components together.
In conclusion, after analyzing the improvement of our manufacturing plan layout, we have found that we can maintain our company sustainability by improving our manufacturing plan layout. This is because by improving our manufacturing plan layout, the company will get a lot of benefits. As example, is producing the better working condition by eliminating congestion as the plant using the automatic machine. By this, we can reduce the crowding workers in the factory. This will smoothing the manufacturing process. Also, the company can reduce the number of handlers, thus reducing the labor cost because using automatic machine that need less worker to handle it.